Excuse me.
Salud.
Oh, what does that mean?
Well, in Spanish it means health. As in, I wish you
health. So when someone sneezes in Spanish, you say health.
Spanish we say health.
That's cute.
We say that to people.
Cute. May God bless your soul.
Okay. Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. May the powers from above look upon thee and bless thee.
Boy, that seems a little too intense.
We don't joke around here. We go straight to God.
Go straight to God. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sneeze. Sneeze again.
No, I don't want to sneeze again.
I know you want to sneeze again. God, look upon this man now, please. Bless him. Bless this man. What do you have?
I'm sure it's just allergies.
Bless this man from allergies. Say amen.
I don't believe in it.
Say amen.
Amen.
Bless you.
Aren't you Jewish?
Look at the shut up,